Hey guys, thanks for joining. Yeah, so we picked up a starter position in GORL. It's very early, and I'm just getting to know everybody. But I saw the call in Alon's channel, so I kind of respect him and his promos. Obviously, he does do paid promos, so you got to be careful. But I like the chart. I like the community. There's an active Telegram, and I like the meme. So I think this is pretty good. Our timing was good. If you want to get these calls like bleeding edge early, I mean, I was bringing you mini at 400K market cap. It's now at 3.8 or something ridiculous. So that would have been almost a 10x. And if anyway. So join the channel. Chat on chatters. I will be live in just a few seconds here. I'm just getting ready, but yeah, there's the link to the market, and you can see GORL woman. It's pretty cool. They got a really nice website and active Telegram channel, so you can see. Oh, they have to fix their HTTPS. But anyway, yeah, so you can see pretty quality meme-ish meme town. I love the daddy girl meme, so I'm a sucker for GORL. Yeah, so and I'm up 77% on the position. I'm looking to see this thing get some nice action. I don't like to make price predictions because you got to monitor how they're working it, who's working it, all those factors. But like I said, I only put in 0.1, so this is just a side bet. The main my main holdings right now are my main holding, I mean, most of my bag is in mini, and I'm fucking killing it on mini. I fucked it up because I sold at the wrong time, and I was stupid because obviously it went ridiculous. It peaked at 7 million, but a lot of people are hearing about it now, and so I think this has got a lot more room to grow. Mini, their Telegram is like crazy. You got to monitor all this, how it's all folded or rolling out. But anyway, so there's two. Mini still looking good, and I'm holding like a rock star on that one. I'm up like 5 SOL or more, and I plan on holding that to much higher levels. We're at 3.8 million market cap. You can see, I can show you my trades on this. My trades were not executed very well because really I was buying very early, and I should have just held my initials and not even really done all this bullshit trying to trade in and out, because I fucking did it wrong. You should sell on peaks and buy on valleys, right? But so overall, I'm going to give myself a C- on how I played this, because I should be sitting on like 20 SOL. But the story is I turned 0.2 SOL investment through trading into what I currently have now, which is almost 7 SOL. And I did that over the last 3 days. So if you want that kind of like alpha and info, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to YouTube, subscribe to my Twitter, subscribe to my Telegram, subscribe to everything, because I'm in it to win it, and I'm here like 24/7. This is my full-time job and career, crypto. This is where I see how you can actually build a life. I don't see any other opportunities but crypto right now. So that's kind of my summary. And yeah, I'm gonna come on live, and I mean like I'm gonna show my pretty face in just a few minutes, but I just thought I'd get everything started and kind of show you, yeah, sort of jump in and show you what's going on. I'm trying to spam the GORL channel, but they're busy raiding, and I don't know, they don't always like it. But they're up to 412 members, and so that's pretty fast growth. And so I do see quite a bit of potential on this, and I'm already up 67%. And I know I only put in what, $10, $15, but if you 10x that, you get $150, and that's a full SOL. And then you can add to positions in other ones, or diversify. That's how it works. I mean, it's It's how it works. It's how you trade, how you manage your portfolio. I mean, if this thing goes to a milli, that'd be really nice. That would be a 20x, or no, a 40x from where I got in, and that would be 4 SOL. But yeah, I mean, we'll see. Like I said, there's many factors involved in taking a coin to those levels. But Mini definitely was one where I saw they had all those factors because they had a massive team. They had huge volume when they just got onto Raydium, like 12 million in the first 6 hours. So that means that they were sitting on all that powder, and plus there's big players in it. I was listening to their voice calls, and yeah, they were seasoned players, and a lot of them, like not just like 1 or 2, like there was like 40 of them in the voice call, and these guys were all promoters and all like OG. So those are the really big rocket ones, and as you can see, they're delivering. And I believe they're going to continue to deliver. They've only got like 2,000 in the Telegram. I mean, you can get 200,000 people in a Telegram channel. So the and look at this, 14 SOL buy just went through on Mini. So I mean, crypto is just unbelievable. It's so exciting. It's the best. Like, fuck everything else. Fuck affiliate programs. Fuck fucking TikTok. Fuck being this and that. Get into crypto. That's where it's at. Okay, I am just gonna be back. We'll see what's happening with GORL. I mean, this could be just a very short-term play, or we'll see if they get their ducks in a row. It could go higher. But yeah, high risk. That's why we only put in small amounts in these things. But yeah, there you go. Yeah, I wanna spam these fuckers. Like, Jesus, I'm fucking giving you free promo. Yeah. Should be able to get these guys in. Yeah, see, there you go. See, I like to get into these communities early and live stream them and get them some attention. This is how I network, and this is how I build the channel up, and you know, it's all good. Some of them ban me, but they're stupid to ban me because I'm an influencer, so we can all grow together, and I promote their coins, and you know, it's awesome. This is how it works. See, some idiot is selling, but who knows? I mean, that's dumb. See, that's a bad sign. They should I mean, this should be going up. They should be sending this. Yeah, I don't know if I want to we'll see. We'll give it some time on this. Like, they're just probably getting organized. There's a few bad signs I saw in there. Everyone's posting their address, and I'm asking, like, is this an airdrop? And there's no clear instructions. So some of those are a little bit red flaggy, but yeah, they're doing raids, so that's really good. So as you can see, yeah, they're doing raids, and their membership is up. There's 88 online. I mean, I don't know. Are those bots? We don't know. The chart isn't sending quite yet. I mean, we had a nice dip up, but I mean, this is pretty weak volume. So I don't know. It's not like a huge fucking recommendation. The real big one and the real alpha that I was shilling to everybody over the last like 5-6 days is this mini, because I mean, look at it. It's great. 3.7 million. I'm basically holding from here. Like I said, I can show you my trades. I don't feel I traded this well because, as usual, you know, I should have. Trading is so hard in crypto. Like, just buy and then monitor and hold your hold your initial. I mean, I bought here. I could have made a triple on this and then just bought back in. That would have been nimble, but I missed that, and then you know, I fucked up around here. But the good thing is I bought back in because my gut was telling me, God, this is going higher. This is going to break out above the 5 million, and that's exactly where it's going. So I am holding, and I am up quite nicely. Almost 5 sol on Photon, or sorry, on Mini. So yeah, there you go. Yeah, that's it, guys. So yeah, I'll just go back to GORL. I'll give them some support. I am a holder, and we're up 11%. We'll see. You know, they're not really vibing the market here. I mean, look at that 8 sol sell. They're fucking idiots. So I don't know who that is, but it could be a rug pull. So yeah, fucking amateurs. Could be amateur hour on this one. Yeah, you got to do the buybacks. I don't know who the fuck is running this. Yeah, this could be a bullshit one. Yeah, so now they got it locked with a raid. And then there was a 2.7 sol buy. I don't know. You gotta be. Yeah, we'll see. I mean, that's nice. A 2.7 sol buy, but you know, that's got to soak up this 8 sol sell that we saw there. Anyway, I'll leave it there for a bit. We'll give it some time. You know, it's pretty 26 million market cap. I mean, they're chumps if they bleed that down to 5,000 or 26,000 market cap. So anyway, this is how it works in crypto. But I like I said, I only put 20 bucks in. So okay, I'll be back. Hey. Hey. I'll show my pretty face here in 1 second. Oh my god. Oh, we gotta adjust some stuff here. There we go. Yeah. Dark and dirty. Coming at you live. Dave Crypto here. Yeah, so I'm giving some coverage to Woman, symbol GORL. I guess I'm a sucker for memes, and I like to get in early. So far, I don't really love the action. But I'm up on the position, and it did. I was up 70%, so this thing can send if they start the buybacks and continue with the promotion. I see some good things going on in the Telegram group. They're doing raids, and yeah, we got some good numbers on the raids, so that's a good sign. That means there's like real interaction. 420 members. Some of those are probably fake. 90 online. I don't know. Hard to tell. But yeah, like I say, you can tell by the number of actions and tweets. So they're doing the right thing. They're getting the word out. Market might be a little soft today, but that's okay because there isn't, there's mini markets. There's markets within markets. You can have a bull market in a bear market on a coin. Yeah, and here's mini. Our mini investment is doing very well. As you can see, I'm up 4.69 SOL. Yeah, I was chatting with my buddy about how I played this. I was trying to get him in, and he was skeptical. He was worried about the Federal Open Market Committee meeting or some shit. And I'm like, just fucking buy some of this, man. Like, their Telegram is popping off, and heavy money in here. And I like the volume on this when it got to Raydium was 12 million US, and I thought, my God, they're holding a ton of powder. And they have a really strong network. That's why I liked it. And that's why I bought. I bought very early here. I was at a 400K market cap, as you can see. And, I tried to be smart, and I got nervous and impatient and did some bad moves. But when I saw this move here up to 2 milli, which kind of broke all these upper resistances, then I just aped in. And I went to bed, and I woke up to a nice, pleasant surprise at very, very much higher levels. So this is very bullish, and the market cap's now 3.5 million. So I'm up. I like I said, I feel like I did screw it up because my position here, my initial, had I just held that, I mean, I would have been up like 20 SOL or more. Yeah, because I had 2 SOL in at this level, so. If I would have held, that would have been almost a 10x. So I would have been holding 20 SOL, but instead I tried to get smart, traded in and out like a nervous Nelly and a Jeet, and now I only have 6 SOL. But nonetheless, I mean, I think my trading over the last few days has been pretty damn good. Overall, my trading on my portfolio is ridiculous because I turned 0.2 SOL in to 6 SOL. So. If you want that alpha, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel and to my Telegram and Twitter. The link is above. And yeah, I tell you what I'm buying, what I'm in, and what I'm buying, what I'm selling, and promoting. And I'm building up a bag because we're doing all sorts of stuff. We're going to do all sorts of stuff. We got lots of plans. I'm networking. I'm meeting lots of top promoters, and I'm in lots of coins. And I'm all over the map in a good way. So, yeah, the plan is to become a real fucking player and, get out of chump land. But... yeah, you can see my trades here in Photon. I got wrecked on a few junk, but only with small positions. Like I said, the big winner was Free CZ. There, I took out 1.7 SOL. So that was a nice trade. And then I was smart enough to say, okay, that's probably not the big meta, but I found this mini the same way through the scanner, and I aped into that. So that kind of nimbleness is really what you need to be learning how to do. And then you want to kind of like, okay, well, you know, what's the conviction here? I screwed up on my conviction, like I said, and I really should have just held and given the team some time because they were doing all the right things. But nonetheless, you know, we're positive in a big way, so that's good. And I'm trying to share all this with you on the channel and through the live streams, and do all the good things. So I hope you're enjoying these markets and crypto. And here's the GORL website. They need some work on this. I'll try and let them know about that. But you can see their Twitter is 394, pretty good. So I'll give them a follow. And what else? They got a Telegram. I showed you the Telegram, and they're doing good. You know, I'll see if I can spam the fucking live stream. And I don't know. They might not like it, but who cares? They're silly not to, because covering GORL here. Yeah, and I can tell like how many of them. See, they should pin this, and then everybody join, and that's how we do it. Yeah. Okay. So let's look at how the GORL chart is working. Yeah. So we're back positive 8%. I want to see this red candle get bought up, but I don't know if it's gonna happen. Start the buybacks, guys. Work the chart. Doing good things with raids. Bye. Let's go green. Yeah, coaching them, trying to get them. I think they got something. You know, you gotta be committed, and you gotta fucking get in it. And that's how we're gonna work. See, we want to see these sellers buy back in, because that'll get us back up to 46K, and start repairing this chart. If they can get this back up to 100,000, then the market will definitely notice that, and it'll be positive, and it'll start trending, and all the right bells and whistles and alerts will go. But we'll see. That's what it's all about. It's all about commitment of capital, and commitment of time, and commitment of promotional energy. So if they can't get that going, then you know, it's a lost cause. But you know, I do my best to try to help small communities, give them support, etc. And sometimes it works. Sometimes, you know, I can be a catalyst, and I can help them send. Sometimes they're just fucking jeets, and they don't know what the fuck they're doing, and it just turns into a fucking waste of time. But hopefully that's not going to happen here. Yeah, welcome, guys. Glad to see you out on the live stream. We're covering GORL here. If you guys are joining us from the GORL community, yeah, start the buybacks. Keep the raids up. That's great. You guys got to tighten up some of the things on the website. Your SSL certificate is not properly registered, so you get a warning. That's not good. But other than that, I see some good numbers, lots of good interactions. The raids are good. But like I said, you guys got to repair this chart. So get the buybacks going. Let's fucking go. Yeah, it's good. Welcome to the live stream, guys. We'll see. We're covering GORL and Mini. Mini is the king, because Mini has critical mass, and Mini is doing all the right things. And my position on Mini is very, very nice right now. Up 4.3 Sol. Yeah, you can see my trades. Should have just held the initial, because would have been a basically 8x or something. Yeah, because I was in at 400,000 market cap. So if I just would have skipped all this trades and had the faith, but you know, these things are really volatile. But nonetheless, I got back in at the right time, because when I saw this happen on the chart, I knew, okay, these guys are committed, and I saw the Telegram growing, and they're continuing the raids. And so when I woke up this morning, I saw all this action, and you can see it broke out up to 6.9 million. So that's awesome. They're sitting on a lot of capital now, and I see this going much higher, assuming they just keep focusing on growth. If you check out the channel or the Telegram, you can see it's still growing. They got to realize, like, you know, the pressure builds as they're holding more and more capital and trying to manage more and more attention. But if they have the right mindset, they can. Because a Telegram channel can, on the free version, you can have up to 200,000 members. So they need to have that mindset. I'm going to try and find it. Let's see, mini. Here it is, mini CTO. So they're up to 2,258 members. That's fucking crazy, because when I got in, they had 800 members. So this is organic growth. These are not paid. There's 401 online, so this is real. This is definitely real. And you can see they're continuing to raid, which is great sign. And so they're just like, you know, plus these guys have a lot of connections, and they've been doing VC calls, and yeah, lots of good stuff. And their stickers are off the chart, so that's awesome. I'm still promoting, and I'm still very bullish on GORL, or not GORL, but Mini. GORL is GORL is very speculative. I'm even down 11%, but this can send. We'll see. They gotta get their act together here. I'm gonna try to pin the mini CT. Oh yeah, it's already pinned. Maybe I'll pin GORL. We'll see. We'll give them some time. Woman's World. I don't know. What do you guys think in the meta on that? You tell me. So this is the old. I'm gonna unpin this, and I'm gonna pin GORL. Pin that. Okay, so these are kind of like the two ones we're really gonna follow here. Is Mini and Woman's World. Yeah, so they're doing some raids, which is great. Numbers, 15 likes, so that's good. We've got some good numbers, and they got 418 members. Yeah, those are the two ones, and yeah, really nice. We'll see. This could all we need is a few apes and some good. Check out Wally. No, I don't have time. I don't have time or money at this point. But DM me if you want, and we'll see what's happening, because I might. I mean, you know, I don't want to miss opportunities either. You know, I can trade this little mini bag out and go into Wally if it's good, but I don't know. Tell me more. Where is it trading, etc. Yeah, so see what's going on with GORL. They got to do some buybacks. They got to repair that chart. But love Mini and Woman's World. Yeah, they're doing good things. Looks like they just shattered this raid, so that'll unlock that. Has been completed. Yeah, congrats guys. Woo! Boom. Buyback. Send it or end it. Go all in. Repair the chart. Here, I'll even send them a message. Hey guys, looking good, but we got to get some more buybacks happening, because that red is bullshit. No one should be selling at this level. You guys are doing all the right things, but you got to repair the chart. So yeah, this is what I do. I like to coach, and I like to fucking get these guys in the right way. I'm also going to tell them, by the way, your SSL certificate doesn't work on your website. You got to repair that, because you get a warning when you go to the link. Yeah, this is what I am. I'm a fucking coin coach. We'll see if it works with these guys. What's the Discord? Fuck the Discord. Just get more buying happening. Yeah, not yet, but all we need is like 3/4 soul, and this is gonna come up, and then we'll see. We'll go green again. There's a 0.15 soul buy. See, I mean, people can exit scam, whatever. Oh yeah, I got fucking 5 soul. I made fucking 10, 15, 20 soul, but it's dumb. It's short-term thinking. They should be thinking, how do we get this to 500K? How do we get this to 1 million? But not everyone can do it because they just don't have the promo power. But Mini has the promo power, and this is good. This is very solid because you have an uptrend line on Mini, and so that's, yeah, it's kind of going sideways here, you know, but we'll see. I feel this could go to 10, 30 million because these guys know how to work their bank, and they're doing all the right things. But we'll see. You know, I mean, this could go back. Like, there's two trends, right? There's a steep trend, and then there's this trend here. I'll try to draw it out. It's sort of the steady trend. This is the steady incline that it's following. So really, it could come back to this trend, which would be painful for a lot of people. But from their perspective, strategically, they might be like, fuck it, jeet as many of these fuckers out, and grab all that money, and then it's a concentrated holding, and then they send it with all that fucking juice that they capture. Then they send it on this next mega wave. But we'll see. That's, you know, how these things work. Highly volatile in early days. This mini is only a few days old. So, but if you believe it, if you see the right things, and if they have the commitment and they have the know-how how to work this, then if it does dump down here, it could be a double down, because, you know, then you'll watch. Then they'll ramp it back up to 3, and they'll have the momentum to get up to 7 or 10 or who knows, right? So this is kind of how you have to think, like the inner psychology and workings. And can GORL do it? Well, so far they're not. These guys are fucking chumps, so I don't know. GORL, you guys gotta, you know, Raids is not gonna do it. You gotta get the buybacks. I don't know. Might be looking at getting out of GORL. Don't really want to, because but I will. You know, I don't care. I like to, you know, that 0.6 can be put on a better project. I mean, I can throw it back into Mini, but let's see what they do. Yeah, they're still raiding. They got other shit they need to be doing too. But anyway, we'll just leave it on Mini for now. So this was a really nice pump. This is a really nice pump. Let's see if I can get Mini. I'm covering Mini. Covering Mini on the live stream. Let's see if they let me do it. MEMECOINs live. Pardon me. Yeah, looks like I can do it. See, this is cool. If they let it, sometimes they pinned one of my videos once, and then lots of people join, and that's good. So we build up subscribers, you know, get more interaction. Good for networks and networking, and it's good all around. And you know, it's nice to know that there's support on YouTube. I haven't searched yet, but maybe Mini's on YouTube. I'm gonna do oh jeez, I gotta hang on. Yeah. Oh, it looks like they got a spaces going on for Mini. Oh God, my lighting, fluorescent lighting makes me look great, eh? Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, this is the Mini CTO. So as you can see, they've got 2,260 members, 391 online. Insane. It's nice action. GORL is finally we get some green, get some support. Oh, that's a 7 soul buy on GORL. Very nice, very nice. This is what we want to see. Send it or end it. This is what I tell them. Yeah, here we go. Okay, GORL. Let's do it, peeps. Yeah. Oh, nice. This is good. It's good to be in early on a nice coin. Yeah. Buy before 10 milli. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's right. Okay, on which platform? I will send you info. Yeah, you can DM me, Tan. Hang on. One sec. Yeah, you can DM my private. I guess I gotta find myself here. Where am I? Dave Crypto, here you go. DM me. Go ahead. I don't care. Oh man, come on. Where's my stupid how do I get a link? Can't even get a bloody link. See, as you can see, I got a mini theme. Normally I have my face on that. Oh god. Okay, so try it here. Dave Crypto. Where am I? Oh, not. Okay, here we go. Dave.crypto. Link copied. Here you go. Maybe that'll work. There you go. Okay, so we'll see. Tan wants to DM me. Yeah, I'm really open and interactive. I'm not like some exclusive like whale that doesn't answer DMs. I'll talk to anybody. I believe in small guys, big guys. Everybody needs to work together. I mean, this is a community coin. So as you can see, Woman's World is actually doing a video chat. I'm gonna jump in that.
Fuck. How do I talk to him?
I mean, we can hang here and just hold this down until.
Yeah.
We got Dave Crypto, man. He wants to speak. I don't know if you're admin.
Yeah, I guess I'm admin.
Okay, he's actually he's live streaming us too.
Oh, is he?
Yeah, check it out.
Am I Dave Crypto? My bad. Allowed to speak. Yeah. There you go, brother.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Hey Dave, how you doing?
Yeah, I'm okay. Yeah, I found you guys through Alon's channel.
Oh yeah, that was a good buy.
Yeah.
7 soul, let's go.
Oh, fucking rights, man. It's good to see. I'm really happy.
You know, it's just going to take a little bit of time. A lot of people expect 1 hour trades, you know?
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Authentic Def.
Yeah, well, I'm glad to see you guys are doing a VC call. A lot of good things here.
Unfortunately, when you're too honest, you get sniped. I could hear
it happened to us too, man. Every time we launch on Pump Fun, we get sniped and they dump you right before you hit Raydium.
Oh yeah, I know. Everybody is.
Yeah, I mean,
how do you get sniped on Pump Fun?
Well, he was alive, dude. He was alive. He launched the coin.
No, I mean, like, how can you do it? Because like most of the time, I see Dev buys first.
Yeah, I mean, like, so he did give a couple people a soul in the very beginning. I mean, in his private group. I mean, I don't.
But some people.
He might have bought.
Some people just wait.
I mean, I'm sure he fucking got a little bit, but he didn't. He didn't get that much. There was one person that got a decent amount and sold it all. He did not have plans. Like, dude, the dude just started putting up YouTube videos. I've known him for 6 months. My homie, like, teaching people how to do this shit, how to snipe, and he kind of went viral. So he's just been in the trenches, like, actually sniping coins, like, doing pretty good. And he was like, fuck it, let's just launch a coin. But instead of, like, doing some insider shit, he actually launched it live.
Yeah, that seems to be the trend. Well, it's kind of silly because you should have. It's all about commitment, right? I mean, if you snipe, you're basically taking from the community bank, and you should be doing the buyback in. And but yeah, this is how it goes. People have short attention spans, and they're always chasing alpha. But yeah,
right. It was one person, and you really have to have a core group if you want to fucking DC it out a little bit and keep it running. Like the Jizos is doing pretty fucking good. That group.
So when you're a team, you should just trust each other and have one guy handle the tokens, so other people,
Yeah.
100%, you never know who's gonna sell first, and it wrecks the
Facts.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
That's
I
the
mean,
chaos. Well, anyway.
yeah, it was a little chaotic. You guys
A
got
lot
to
of
see
people
it though. We're out here.
And like the team puts the time and effort out to create a token, a place for people to make money, the opportunity to make money. Because obviously the team has to make more money than the trader. You know what I mean?
Right. Someone's gonna make money, but I'm
Why
just.
is the dev dying?
I mean, you guys, like, I could have just deleted this fucking thing, like, annoyed hours ago. I'm not even in this fucking thing. Like,
Okay, so yeah, as you can see, they're doing some really cool things in GORL. They're had a voice call, and there was about 20 people on the voice call, which is a really good sign. Yeah, we want to make sure that I don't know, it's early, right? I mean, a team has to come together at that initial stage. A team has to come together and really start doing everything, managing the bank, managing the funds, working the chart, and doing raids, getting promo out, expanding the network, and then the magic happens. So you know, when you're investing in these things, you need to take all these factors into account, and that's why you need someone that's on the inside, that's jumping inside the Telegram, looking at the numbers, looking at the Twitter, analyzing everything, you know, figuring out the meta, and seeing if it's working. And that's what I do. So subscribing to my channel is a great idea, and you know, I can help promote your coin. I can do all sorts of stuff. But I brought you mini, and look at this. I mean, this is beautiful, because when you're in early and you see these big volume spikes, like it just went from 3 million almost up to 4 million. Like, this is insane. If this goes to 10 million, I mean, we're getting nice returns. I'm already up 4 SOL on mini, so that's great, man. And yeah, let's see what's happening with GORL. GORL is regrouping, so this could be really good entry on GORL. This is where you kind of want to pick up that starter position, whatever it is, 0.1, 1 SOL. I mean, you know, if you're really confident or if you're really rich, you buy 5 SOL here, and then yeah, because over the next couple days, they take this to 500,000 or 1 million. I mean, that's insane returns, right? So yeah, I'm supporting GORL and mini. That's what this is all about. And if you guys have any tickers, go ahead and drop them in there. Yeah, so that's good. I think that's a pretty good live stream. And yeah, very interactive on this channel. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my calls channel. And you can see here, I actually show you the history over the last 3 days of how I turned 0.2 SOL into my current 6 SOL bag, which is insane. That is basically a 30x. And I did that by, I'll show you the history right here. I did that by looking on the scanner and finding this free CZ. I put 0.2 SOL in there, and I turned it into 2.7 with this free CZ. And I did that with the scanner, and I actually did that live. I explained it live, and you can see here, this is a scanner play. I got in here at the blue, and I wrote it up. Got in, get out, you know, kind of fucked up as usual, you know. Usually you just want to hold the initial and ride it, have the faith. But I did well. I did very well on this. I mean, 13x on that. You know, got chopped up a bit, but I actually got this move too, and that was key. And then of course I thought I was a genius, and I got into like 5 other shit coins in and out. But overall, I preserved my capital. But then I found the mini, and mini had all the right signs. So I show you, I dropped mini. I don't know, 3 days ago, 2 days ago, and I put the links, I put this, I made updates, I told you everything. I mean, I was promoting it, I was telling other promoters, I was dropping it, I told Tommy Crypto, I told Alon, and then, you know, broke it all down. I did a live stream, and basically, the mini trade was another fucking killer trade, and so now I'm multiplying my gains. And yeah, that's what you get by subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my call channel. Yeah, you got Mini right on, bro. That's awesome. Mini's great, man. Mini rocks. Mini rocks. Nice. Yeah, exactly. I think it's got a lot more upside. I mean, you can have 200,000 members in a Telegram channel, and they're only up to like 2,800. So there's still massive upside potential on Mini, and they're really managing it well. They have a big network, super strong team, and they got a lot of powder. So I'm still very bullish on Mini, and I'll be looking. I mean, I probably won't trade in and out, but if there's like a big return to the lower trend, I talked earlier about that. Like, this is the lower trend here. If there's a big return there, like if there's a big dump, I would love to take that opportunity to like either add more or, I don't know, try to be smart, but I don't know. I think it's still good, and I think there's still commitment on the team. And this spike here up to 7 million tells me that we could go there, because that's the new target. Back up to 7 million and then stabilize there. So this is this steep trend. Looks like we've broken down under the steep trend, so could be headed to like the slower trend. You know, it happens. There's volatility, and yeah, once again, we got to monitor. I mean, are they still going to be working this? GORL, yeah, they're still getting organized, so it's early, but that's okay. I'll hang on to GORL for a while, unless I see you know, bad signs. But so far, it's pretty good. Kind of like it. It's a small position. Anyway, so there you go. I'm really bullish on Mini. If you're holding, hold and look to dollar cost average on dips. That's my advice. Or just hold and you know, hold for the gold, because I think we got more waves coming and more buyers coming. Yeah. And yeah, just play it smart. Preserve thy capital and seek the alpha. Seek the alpha, young Jedi. Maybe we'll get a little closer view on the action here. Yeah, so this is kind of okay. That was a dip. There's some withdrawals happening here, and you know, a lot of this volume. Is it petering off? We don't know. What time is it? It's 1 o'clock. It's still 1 o'clock. So I think these things kind of have late day rallies. So I wouldn't be surprised. Like, this is probably a good buying opportunity right here, because I wouldn't be surprised if this kind of tests up to the 5, 6, 7 million later on tonight, depending. Yeah, we'll see. As always in trading, we need to monitor it and have conviction and do research, because it's an organic thing. I mean, it's really about who's in it and what they're doing, and you know, how much energy everyone has. And but yeah, look at the chart too, because this gets bought up. Like, if there's money on the sidelines and they see these dips as buying ops, then you start getting a solid floor, and then boom, they deploy the bank and the powder and repeat the cycle. And then we get up to you know, it'd be nice to see them kind of, you know, reach a floor of around 5 milli. Wouldn't that be nice? Because then we're grinding up into the 10 million potential zone, and God, everyone loves that. Then this is going to get a lot of attention. Then you can get some serious, the megalodon buyers come in, you know, the monster apes, the gorillas start fighting over it, and it can start trading a range between 10 million and 20 million, and who knows, and go to 30 million. Fuck. Yeah, and this is good because it's green. And how about GORL? GORL is not doing it, but I'm gonna tell these dudes they gotta support their own chart. Chat locked. Work the chart, guys. buybacks and promote. Gotta show commitment. Buy back or die. Go, go, go. This has got to be soaked up. Yeah, because people get depressed if no one shows the conviction. I mean, it's down to 8.7. That's really fucking depressing. So this could be dying. These guys could be dying because they're fucking whining about, oh, someone sniped them. I mean, you know, so that means either someone on the inside is like, I don't give a shit about this. I'm gonna run away with the money, or they really did get sniped, or I don't know. I mean, it means a lot of different things. It's always ambiguous. But if they say fuck it, maybe we got the meta, maybe we like this, and they do. You know, I always hold the conspiracy view that people are deceptive and lie, and they create cover stories about devs cheating and sniping, and they're just like, you know, fuck it, I don't actually want to do this, or they do it, or there's commitment. That's really the game in this. The team has to be committed, and there has to be a banker, and there has to be, you know, some cohesion. If it's not, they just die. So. But, and it kind of looks like it's dying, frankly. So if they don't fucking bring it back to life, then, you know, you're welcome. You ran away with my $20, you fucking small-time chumps. Okay? But, that's why I don't buy big on this kind of shit until, I learn more. And, you know, this is what we really want, is we want the mini type crew. And yeah, so I did my analysis there. Okay, guys, thanks for tuning in. And yeah, I'll do some more videos and updates and live streams as we move forward. And if you haven't, like, share, and subscribe.